Hello दोस्तों, today we are going to talk about the terminology related to gene. So let's start the video. What is gene? Gene is a segment of DNA. DNA, which is the genetic material in our body that carry the instruction or information for making a specific protein that perform various functions in organism. There is two types of genes. Structural genes that code for protein or RNA. For example, human beta globin gene or HBB code for beta chain of hemoglobin. There is eight functional type of globin gene present in human body like alpha, beta, gamma, delta, zeta. Okay. Next, regulatory gene that control the expression of other genes. As name suggests, regulatory or regulate the expression of other gene. For example, P53 gene act as a transcription factor which involve in DNA repair. Like there is something wrong or there is damage in cells. So P53 gene is activate and involved in cell death or apoptosis. Next is allele. Allele is a different form of the same gene. For example, ABO blood group in human. There is three types of allele. Allele A, allele B and allele O. Every gene in human exists in two copies of allele. See, when DNA or histone protein compact together and form a structure is known as chromosome because we are diploid organism. Chromosome which is diploid. This is a arms of chromosome known as chromatid, and when there these two types of chromatid are similar is known as sister chromatids, and there is a central region which is compact and hold the sister chromatid together known as centromere. What is exogenous or endogenous gene? Exo, as name suggests, outside, introduced from outside the organism. For example, antibiotic resistance gene. This gene provide resistance against antibiotic. It is widely used in genetic engineering. Endogenous gene, endo it means inside, found naturally within organism's genome. For example, hemoglobin gene, naturally found in our body. What is genotype and phenotype? Genotype is a genetic makeup of an organism. Means the combination of allele. For example, allele are capital A and small a. Genotype written as capital A, small a. Phenotype, pheno it means physical or is behavioral. The set of observable characters of an organism. When there is a environmental effect on genotype or genes, it is visible traits. For example, in pea plant, the different colors of flower which is visible is known as genotype. What is genome? The entire set of genetic material which contain DNA, proteins, non-coding or coding sequence